Want to upgrade your space without it looking low quality? These budget home decor finds prove you don't need to spend big to get a stylish, elevated look. From cozy accents to eye-catching pieces, everything here adds charm without feeling cheap. All products are linked in the description below. Campfire vibes, zero smoke, fits on your coffee table. This compact wood pellet fire pit delivers a real, crackling flame without the cloud of smoke that usually comes with it. The glass wind guard keeps the flame steady and visible from every angle, even on breezy evenings. It runs on standard wood pellets, cheap, clean, and easy to find, so you're never hunting for the right fuel. Compact enough to pack for camping or tailgating, sturdy enough to be a permanent centerpiece on your patio or backyard table. There's something about running water that instantly makes a space feel alive. At over 42 inches tall, this indoor-outdoor fountain makes a genuine statement whether it's in your living room, garden, or on your porch. The built-in lights illuminate the cascading water after dark, turning it into a glowing centerpiece you'll want to stare at all evening. The waterproof pump is fully submersible and built to run continuously without issue. Beyond the looks, the constant sound of flowing water naturally masks background noise and creates a calm, relaxing atmosphere wherever you place it. Mood lighting shouldn't cost a fortune or take all day to set up. This 66-foot LED strip peels and sticks anywhere, under shelves, behind your TV, along cabinets, or around your bedroom ceiling, instantly transforming any space. Warm white light is fully dimmable, so you can go from bright and functional to soft and cozy with a tap. Control it from your phone or the included remote without ever leaving your seat. 66 feet of flexible, cuttable light means you've got more than enough to cover every corner you've been meaning to upgrade. Sometimes the right light fixture changes everything. This wall-mounted glass light brings a clean, contemporary look to any bedroom, hallway, or living space without overwhelming the room. The glass shade diffuses light beautifully, casting a warm and even glow that feels intentional rather than just functional. It mounts directly to the wall to free up nightstand and floor space entirely. Simple to install and compatible with any standard E27 bulb, so you can dial in exactly the brightness and warmth you want. Your garden called? It wants a glow-up. This solar lamppost doubles as a flower pot, so you get elegant outdoor lighting and a planter all in one charming fixture. The glass lampshade and vintage-style bulb cast a warm, decorative glow that looks beautiful from dusk to dawn, completely automatically with no wiring or electricity bills. It's weatherproof rated IP44, meaning rain and splashing water are no problem whatsoever. Plant it in your lawn, mount it on a wall, or frame your front door. Real or faux flowers. Welcome. Some lamps light a room. This one sets a mood. This acrylic desk lamp casts a soft, warm glow that instantly makes any bedroom or living space feel cozier and more inviting. The dimmable setting lets you fine-tune the brightness, bright enough to read by, soft enough to wind down with. It plugs straight into a USB port, so no adapters or special outlets needed. Minimal, modern, and romantic, it's the kind of lamp that makes people ask where you got it. Tiny fountain, huge atmosphere. This desktop glass fountain fits right on your desk or shelf and brings the calming sound of trickling water into any room. The LED light ring glows through the colorful, transparent glass, creating a beautiful, jewel-like centerpiece that looks especially magical during the holidays. It runs off a simple USB connection. No batteries, no complicated setup. Just plug in and let it flow. Whether it's on your work desk or your living room shelf, it's the kind of thing that catches every visitor's eye. The most thoughtful gift just got a serious upgrade. This personalized acrylic lamp lets you print any photo directly onto it, glowing beautifully when lit, and it comes with a real, scannable Spotify QR code linked to any song you choose. Pick your song, upload your photo, and whoever receives it can scan the plaque to instantly play the track that means something to you both. It sits on any desk or nightstand and runs off a simple USB connection, whether it's for an anniversary, a birthday, or just because this one hits differently. Your nightstand deserves better than a boring old clock. This sleek mirror alarm clock displays the time in crisp, bright digits that look sharp from across the room. And when it's off, it blends seamlessly into your decor like a stylish mirror. Switch between 12 and 24-hour format, snooze with a single tap, and never worry about losing power thanks to dual USB and battery backup. Clean, minimal, and modern, it works just as well on an office desk as it does on a bedroom nightstand. Functional meets genuinely good looking. Flat walls are overrated. These hexagonal LED panels snap together in any pattern you design, turning a plain wall into a custom light installation that's entirely your own. Pick from millions of colors, sync them to your music for a live light show, or set them to shift through scenes automatically via the app. USB powered and simple to mount, so setup takes minutes, not hours. Whether it's a gaming room, bedroom, or living room, this is the kind of wall decor that makes people stop and stare. Bedtime clutter? Meet your match. This wooden docking station corrals your phone, watch, and accessories into one clean, organized spot on your nightstand. Everything charges in one place, so you'll never go to bed with 3 different cables snaking across your furniture again. The warm wood finish looks like actual decor rather than a tech accessory. It genuinely elevates the look of any bedside table. Compact enough to fit anywhere, sturdy enough to hold everything you reach for first thing in the morning. Shelves are so last season. These hand-woven macrame plant hangers let you take your greenery vertical, turning any blank wall or ceiling into a lush bohemian display. Each one is handcrafted with knotted rope and finished with a tassel detail that adds texture and warmth to any room. They work just as beautifully outdoors on a porch or balcony as they do in a living room or bedroom window. Hang one or cluster several together. Either way, your plants have never looked more at home. Some lamps light a room. This one transforms it. This Turkish mosaic floor lamp is handcrafted with hundreds of colored glass pieces that scatter kaleidoscopic patterns across your walls and ceiling the moment it switches on. The globe shade and decorative glass top work together to create a warm, jewel-toned glow that feels like something out of a Marrakech riad. It stands tall as a genuine statement piece. No extra decor needed around it. Plug it in, dim the other lights, and watch your living room become somewhere truly magical. A vase that glows in the dark? Now that's a conversation starter. Shaped like an elegant handbag and crafted from clear glass with charming bubble details, this purse vase is as much a sculpture as it is a flower holder. By day, it's a unique, eye-catching centerpiece. By night, it softly glows, adding an unexpected magical touch to any table or shelf. Perfect for weddings, dinner parties, or just making your living room a little more interesting. Fresh flowers, dried stems, or nothing at all. It looks stunning either way. Who says a coat hook can't be beautiful? These solid brass wall hooks bring a Nordic retro charm to any space, shaped like an elegant bow. They look like intentional decor, rather than just somewhere to hang your stuff. Sturdy enough for coats, bags, and towels, yet refined enough to display in a bedroom or bathroom where looks actually matter. They mount easily to any wall and work in just about any room you can think of. Small detail, big personality. Candlelight makes everything better, and this makes candlelight better. This vintage-style hurricane candle holder set pairs iron stands with clear glass cylinders to create an effortlessly elegant centerpiece for any table. The glass shields the flame from drafts while letting the warm glow spill out beautifully in every direction. Perfect for weddings, dinner parties, or simply making a Tuesday evening feel a little more special. Mix heights, cluster them together, add flowers between them. The styling possibilities are endless. Cheers just got an upgrade. This crystal glass sits on a smooth spinning base that rotates a full 360 degrees, because great whiskey or wine deserves to be shown off from every angle. The spin mechanism aerates your drink as it turns, which actually opens up the flavors and aromas the way a good swirl does, but far more impressively. It's the kind of glass that turns a quiet drink into a small moment of theater. Makes an unforgettable gift for anyone who takes their spirits seriously. There's no need for a bulky humidifier when this does the job in style. Shaped like an elegant vase, this compact USB-powered humidifier doubles as an aromatherapy diffuser. Add your favorite essential oil, and it fills the room with a cool, soothing mist. At just 6.76 ounces capacity, it's perfectly sized for a desk, nightstand, or office shelf without taking up precious space. It runs off any USB port, so no special outlet or adapter needed. Pretty enough to leave out, practical enough to use every single day. Four little cubes, endless personality. This pixel art lamp kit lets you arrange and stack 4 glowing cubes however you like, each one displaying custom animations, patterns, or a live clock on its LED face. They sync to your music in real time, pulsing and shifting colors with every beat for an instant gaming room vibe. Control everything from your phone, or just ask Alexa, change colors, set scenes, or let them run on their own. Cute, creative, and completely addictive to customize. Golden hour, on demand, indoors. This sunset projection lamp casts that warm, dreamy orange-red glow across your walls and ceiling. The kind of light that makes everything look cinematic. Rotate and angle it until the shadows fall exactly where you want them. And suddenly, any plain bedroom wall becomes something worth photographing. It plugs into any USB port and requires zero setup beyond pointing it in the right direction. For the price of a lamp, you get an entirely different atmosphere. Your eyes are working harder than they should. This LED light bar sits right on top of your monitor and floods your desk with clean, even light, without a single glare or reflection bouncing back at your screen. 5 color temperature modes let you match the light to the time of day, reducing eye strain during long work or gaming sessions. The RGB backlight behind your monitor adds a subtle ambient glow that makes your whole setup look intentional and polished. Touch controls, stepless dimming, USB powered, everything a home office deserves. Your living room just became the most interesting one on the block. A coffee table aquarium is exactly what it sounds like, a fully functional fish tank built right into the base of your coffee table. Guests sit around it, set their drinks on it, and can't stop looking through it. Live fish, plants, and gentle bubbling water turn an everyday furniture piece into a living, breathing centerpiece. It's functional, it's jaw-dropping, and it's the one thing no one else in your neighborhood has. The right light fixture doesn't just illuminate a room, it defines it. This 3-ring silver chandelier brings a bold, modern statement to any dining room, kitchen, or entryway without feeling overdone. The LED rings are fully dimmable, so you can go from bright and practical during dinner to soft and atmospheric for entertaining. The hanging height adjusts to suit your ceiling and table height perfectly. It's the kind of centerpiece that pulls an entire room together and makes guests think you hired an interior designer. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.